everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Did you know your Android phone keeps track of how much time you spend on each app? In this video, I will show you step by step how to check your app usage time so you can manage your screen time better. First step, unlock your phone and go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. On some phones, it might be called Screen Time or Device Care. Okay, tap on this bar-like structure. Here you will see a dashboard that shows how many hours you have used your phone today and which apps you have spent the most time on. Tap on the chart or details to see a full breakdown of app usage time, including daily and weekly reports. If you want to limit your time on certain apps, just simply view a certain app's details. You can set daily timers right from here. And that's it. Now you know how to check your app usage time on Android. Super useful if you're trying to cut down on social media or boost productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.